nandito ako sa Makina Motoshow. Kitang-kita nyo naman, napakadaming tao. Kaya tanungin natin kung ano sadya nila dito.
Sasamahan tayong maglaro ng ilan sa mga paborito nating MPBL players!
O kapamilya, andito ako with Breezy. Ano ang favorite mong motor?
Sa ngayon, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga is siyempre Sea of Moto, NK400. Tapos ang best na nasakyan ko ngayon na model nila is yung SR450.
Ano po yung longest drive nyo?
Boss Ironman, which is 1,200 kilometers within 24 hours.
Hey guys, I'm here with Marco. And ano tong motor na dinala mo dito sa makina?
This is my display. Okay, it's a Truxton R, Triumph Truxton R. It's a daily-driven bike. Show and go. Pwedeng ipang show, pwedeng gamitin for everyday.
Hey guys, I'm here with Erwin. And may I ask, gaano ka nakatagal nagmomotor?
Since the 90s, I joined Mad Dog Motorcycle Club back in 1996.
Pwede bang pakilala mo naman sa amin yung bad boy na kasama mo today?
This is a custom-built bike from the ground up. This started out as a 93 Sportster, and then we customized everything from the front wheel all the way to the end. Everything else is custom.
But do you use this on the road?
Yes, we do. Actually, it's that's one thing that's nice about the bike. It's not just a custom bike. It's not just a show bike, but it's something that we ride on a regular basis. So.
So I'm here with Jonel at makikita niyo naman ang moto niya. Pakilala mo naman ang bad boy na sinama mo today.
This one is a custom chopper, Ultima engine 2.0. What we did is custom paint, engravings. So everything is custom actually. Yeah.
But do you use it on the road?
Yeah. This roadworthy bike, it's legal.
Guys, nandito ako kasama ko si Red. Baka pwede mo naman ipakilala sa amin kung sinong dala mo tonight.
Itong motor ko is yung QJ600RR. Ito yung ginamit ko sa Boss Ironman 2023. Tinapos ko yun nang wala naging problema sa motor. Yung Boss Ironman is Luzon Loop.
Yun yung pinakamalayo.
Yun yung pinakamalayo nito. Sa isang araw, bumiyahe kami ng 1,200 kilometers.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Justin. Pwede mo bang ipakilala yung dala mong bad boy?
Sparkly, Kiwi Captain 152, pero naka-Japanese softail chopper build na siya by Bless Up Garage.
Ginagamit mo to on the road?
Longest drive siguro sa Bitukang Manok, Quezon.
At doon nagtatapos ang Makina Motoshow 2023. Once again, I'm Carla Cortez. Tuloy ang laro.